Okay, we'll see next problem on constant deformation method. So this is the second problem. Here varying of moment of inertia is there and 10 kilonewton per meter UDL is given. Similarly, first find out the static indeterminacy, that is ds is equal to r minus 3. Here again it is 4 minus 3 equal to 1. So apply the redundant force at any point A or C. So I have applied at point C, that is equal to P. So next step, remove that redundant force and draw a problem similar to the while if redundant force is not there, just draw the diagram. Now I'll see first step to find out the capital delta. For that you can solve by any method, strain energy, unit load, or a moment area method, conjugate B method. Now last problem I have solved using strain energy method. Now I'll solve using unit load method. So in unit load method, the formula is capital M into small m divided by EI into dx. So first step, for the initial problem, you have to find out the moment, that is m. So bending moment, upward positive, downward negative is the sign convention. So here there is no load, so at this point it will be 0, and at this point, this is the section, here there is no load, just the load according to this point law UDL. So it is nothing but minus 10 into x by 2. Okay, downward, so minus. Then m, remove all the load, apply the point load at the displacement where it is calculated. So at this point apply the 1 kilonewton. So at this point you will be x, so that is nothing but minus 1 into x, so minus x. And here it will be minus 1 into distance, that is x plus distance, this is 3. Okay, here variation for AB you have 2i and BC you have I. Okay, once this is done, calculate 0 to 3, m is 0 first case, so plus 0 to 2 minus into minus it will be 10 plus, so 10x square by 2 into x plus 3 dx divided by EI. Okay, just simplify it. So delta C equal to 0 to 2 10 into x cube, 1 by EI you take it outside. So 10 into multiply by x, that is x cube by 2 plus 10 3s are 30, so 30 into x square by 2. Okay, and here for this you have, just see the EI variation. For this you have high and for this you have 2 EI. Okay, that just check always before completely solving it. Now integrate it and get the value of, here 2 is common, so 1 by 4 EI. After integration you will have 10x4 by 4 plus 30x cube by cube 3 0 to 2. After simplification you will have 30 by EI. So delta C is 30 by EI. Next step, remove all the load and apply for the unit load. Directly you can find out, or delta C equal to, formula is now small m into small m divided by EI to dx. This is your formula. So small m is total 1 kilonewton. So total distance is how much? 5. So you have 0 to 5 minus x into minus x divided by EI into dx. So delta C equal to x square by EI. Okay, here you have to do for different, because there is a variation in I variation. Do separately, that is 0 to 3. For this m is x, so minus x into minus x divided by EI, I is EI, plus 0 to 2, you have minus x plus 3 dx by ei. Ei is high is 2, so it is 2 ei. Okay, just simplify and get the value. After integration, you have 25.33 by ei. This is after integration. So next step is delta c equal to p into delta c. So delta c is 30 by ei equal to p is nothing but p, delta c is 25.33 by ei, which implies p is equal to, p is, simplification you will get p as 1.18 kilonewton, which is equal to Vc. Now summation y equal to 0, reaction Va plus Vc equal to 10 into 2, that is 20. Therefore Va equal to, Va is how much? 18.82 kilonewton. Now draw BMD calculation. So bending moment at C equal to 0, bending moment at B equal to minus 1.18 into 3, then bending moment at A equal to minus 1.18 into 5, then minus 10 into 2 into 2 by 2. Okay, just calculate bending moment at A is equal to minus 14.1 kilonewton meter and at B is equal to 3.54 kilonewton meter. Just substitute at A, B, C. So at C is equal to 0, at B is equal to plus 3.54, at A is equal to 14.1. So this is, and here you have UDL, so it is parabolic curve. So plus minus. This is your BMD. Thank you.